Close your eyes. Imagine living in a place the size of your bathroom. This is where I've been living for the past 5 years. Imagine everything you own and love must fit in this bathroom. Even if I live in this bathroom-sized place, it brings me such a beautiful place. Good morning, everyone. We are currently in the backcountry. I'm looking for a place in the sun to do a couple of projects that I've been waiting to do in the van. So let's try to find a cool place. I was looking for some sun, but it was a little bit of blue sky this morning, a little bit left, but yeah, nothing nothing too much. It's a beautiful place. It's working! That's cool! Alright, I'm making a little fire. I think the sun's coming a little bit, which would be great because it's chilly. And I do have a couple of things that I wanted to do in the van. Huge cleanup. Alright, so I really wanted to clean the van. It is just a huge mess. It's winter, it's got a lot of moisture in the air, so it doesn't happen very often that I can really open the van, the back door, the side door. I won't be able to open very long because I think Kelly's gonna be cold, but at least I just wanted a bunch of fresh air and yeah, clean the place a little bit. brush you. Oh yeah, you need it. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, it's good, huh? Yeah, are you gonna have some left or? Oh, get it all. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm full of hair. Oh my goodness. Alright, I think that's enough. Oh guys, you might remember a couple months ago, weeks ago, I was looking for my memory card holder. I found it! With all my cards. Now I have like so many cards, it's insane. Oh, might have a surprise a couple video. I think I have one or two, I'm not quite sure. It's gonna be funny to see. It was behind this cabinet. This cabinet's got a hole in it in the back. Oh, I'm so happy. That's a good news. That was worth it to clean. Guys, you have no idea I'm happy to do this little cleanup. It's just because of the heater blow the air from the front to the back, which is perfect because that's where I sleep. All the little bit of dust, cat hair and stuff go really underneath the bed, and yeah, well, it was due. So there's one project I want to do before Kenny go inside is my garbage. So my garbage doesn't have anything to hold. That little wire that we put broke down. So I'm going to re-put another one. And eventually I'm going to make something better. But just for today, we're just going to redo another little wire. And the wire that I use was from the dollar store, so I cannot expect too much, but this is the wire, and this was to I think hold like a frame or something. So a group of people with their quads came, so I think they're just here for lunch. So I put Kitty back inside because they make a little bit of noise with their machine. So I'm boiling some water. I'm gonna make myself a little pad thai. Do have a couple of vegetables that I needed. So I use those rice noodles, and they just need hot water. And they cook for like 5 minutes, so super fast. There you go, guys. My can of pad thai. I put some peas. It's not really a sauce of pad thai, but whatever. I'm sure it would be good. Oh yeah. So I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the afternoon here relaxing. It's supposed to rain tonight, so and I'm pretty much done with the firewood. So I hope you guys enjoy a little day in the backcountry, cleaning a little bit. Something at least me I was really enjoy. It's gonna feel way nicer in the van here, way cleaner. If you are not already, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty, obviously. Miss Kitty. Do you want to give it a little kiss? Do you want to give it a kiss? Thank you. That was fast. We really appreciate it.